Tabaqele reflects on Kaizer Chiefs' rebuild under Nasruddin Nabi. Midfielder embraces the journey as Amakosi Eye resurgence in domestic and continental football. Tabaqele has shed light on the ambitious rebuilding project currently underway at Naturena under the stewardship of new head coach Nasruddin Nabi. Tele joined Damascus in January on a free transfer after parting ways with Russian club Vakel Voronezh. His move marked a significant milestone, his first stint with the South African club after nearly a decade abroad, having left the country in 2016 to join Real SC in Portugal. Now 6 months into Chiefs' journey, the KwaMashu-born midfielder has already made 15 appearances in the famous gold and black colors, and in that short time, he's played an instrumental role in helping the club end a painful 10-year trophy drought, lifting the Nedbank Cup following a hard-fought victory over arch rivals Orlando Pirates in May. Speaking at the launch of the Tabaqele games in his hometown, Cele reflected on the renewed energy within the squad and the importance of staying focused through the club's transitional phase, and said with Kaizer Chiefs, there's so much potential to win trophies. As a team, we're starting to feel like that Chiefs team again, and that can compete, one that can win, but right now our focus is to be on improving step by step. He added that while the rebuild under Nabi is still in its early stages, the process is being embraced by the squad, and said building is a process. We have to be patient, stay focused, and enjoy the journey. Yes, there are challenges, but we are committed to the cause because we love what we do. Amakosi have since traveled to the Netherlands for their pre-season camp, laying the foundation for what promises to be a defining campaign. With continental football back on the agenda following the Nedbank Cup success, the Salsa Giants are preparing to make a strong impression in the CAF Confederation Cup. For Cele and his teammates, the mission is clear: restore pride to the badge and cement Chiefs' return to the summit of African football. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.